It's time for some deer hunting. Get ready. Don't miss it. What up, what up? We're back at it. JNR. Getting shit done. 2022, October 22nd. Yesterday was opening day for Ronnie, but due to scheduling, he had to work, so we came up last night. Today was pretty much his opening day. Got up to our spot, eased our way in. We're set up. We're all glassing, and we heard a wheeze. I'm gonna climb up this rock real quick. Oh. So we were glassing and we heard a wheeze, and we all looked over, and a buck came cresting over the hill running towards us. He turned, stopped broadside, and Ronnie had a perfect shot. Took a good shot, high in the shoulder. Let's check it out.
Nice deer. Nice deer.
Hold him up. Turn him a little sideways.
This way.
Hell yeah. Center punched him, dude. Just dropped him. He didn't waste no meat on that one. That's for sure. Hell yeah. Thanks everybody for coming out. Hell yeah.
Thanks for coming out. Appreciate you asking.
Hell yeah.
Us out. It's cool.
Got Ivan up there.
Yeah.
Doing some video.
There's that thing running at us. What? Stream videoing.
So.
Oh damn. Center punch.
Got it done.
In the neck. Shit. Neck shot.
Pull the camel toe. Pull the camel toe. Hit him. I thought it was high shoulder, but it was in the neck.
Yeah,
no wonder it dropped him. But hell yeah. Now the work begins.
You on? Dude, my hair's messed up.
It's game time.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's opening day.
Musket.
With a musket.
Smoke pole muzzleloader.
Yep, Ruben got the muzzleloader tag. Sean and Ivan are going to be on their way tomorrow evening. They'll be here for the weekend. They got the muzzleloader tag. But Ruben is attacking this one different. This year, we're going tree stand.
Tree stand, Southern Arizona. Muzzleloader.
So we're going to try it out. Ruben's going to get in the tree stand tomorrow morning early as fuck, sit there in the dark, and hopefully something good walks by. We've seen some activity in there, so.
Just gets try something different every year. We did blinds, now we're doing tree stands. Spot and stock is cool, that's what we do, but it's always fun to do something different.
Yep, this is where the discipline takes in.
Feel pretty good about this. I'm on tree stands up about 20-30 feet. There's some cross trails, good heavy trails, and
couple scrapes.
We know for a fact deer go through there, and some fresh scrapes. So patience, discipline
Yeah, a
is
lot of discipline.
a big one, which I lack.
But hell yeah.
But tomorrow morning, I'll try to get footage of the area I'm in, and then we'll see what happens.
Right? So stay tuned. This guy's going for him. See what happens. What up? Opening morning. We are here. Ruben's getting ready. Getting ready to embark on the journey to the tree stand. Ruben's going to be walking out, sitting in the tree stand all day. SI hunters, they're on their way this evening, so they'll be here in the dark when when they always come. But yeah, so far it's a good day. It's really cold in the morning. It's not as bad as we thought it was going to be. Thought it was going to be super cold, but it's not. It's not that bad. But Ruben's going to head out. He's got his deer tag, got the tree stand all set up, situated, ready to go. I got a bear tag and a mountain lion tag. So I'm gonna be doing some glassing. I'm gonna glass around by where Ruben's at. I'm gonna glass around by where the bear's at. So I'm pretty much just looking for deer, but if I see the bear, I'm going for him. So that's the plan for now. Ruben's getting his muzzle loader. You can see him out there if you can see it. Getting ready. Opening day. 2022, November 11th. Muzzleloader. See if we can get this done. Got Ruben with his tag and 2 more other tags coming on the way. Sean and Declan, they got a tag. So, well, yeah, be sure to check them out. SI Hunters. Go over, check out their footage. Got plenty of stuff over there too. So, oh yeah. What do you got to say, Ruben?
I hope I kill something. Muzzy's gonna get it done, baby.
Yep.
It's gonna be fun, different. It's gonna take patience.
This is Ruben's 2nd year muzzleloader.
But I killed what? A couple javelinas already.
A couple javelinas. Got a coyote. Yep. Got some stuff on under its belt.
No deer.
No deer yet. So stay tuned. See what happens.
What's all this shit, dude?
Just doing some glassing. And I just happened to look over and there was a doe. She's probably about 120 yards away. Maybe 150. But she's just grazing, chilling. Just thought I'd throw up a little bit of footage. Ruben is in the tree stand, and I'm just glassing. Just a little update on what we're doing. And I'm going to continue glassing and look for some bucks and maybe a bear. So hell yeah. Stick around. What up? Alright. Update. I was cruising around, glassing different spots. I came up over by our spot we call Orange Tent. I came over the hill, spotted some javelinas. First ones we've seen in a while, so I'm gonna head up the hill, see if I can get some footage. Bryce's hunt is next week. He's got a javelina tag. That's a good sign. I'm gonna go over this, see if I can get some footage, see if I can keep this, get an eye on him again. Try to get something. All right, be back. Alright, I got the javelinas. I found them. I'm back. Well, it looked like I turned up 9 javelinas. I saw them off the road. They were going by the water. I only saw about 3 or 4 of them. So I drove down the road, went to the shortest route to get to them. And I came over this little ridge. I got a little bit of footage of that first one, but as soon as I turned off the camera, I was looking down there watching him, whatever, and I lost him in the thick. And then by the time I found him, they were about 70, 80 yards farther up. They had all crossed, and so I got to count all of them. But out of the 9, there was 3 of them that were huge. Those are some pretty big javelinas right there. What's up? It's day number 2. We got SI hunters with us today. Got Sean and Declan and Ivan and Anthony. Sean and Declan have muzzleloader tags. Right now we're trying to fill Declan's tag. Declan's right here behind me, ready to shoot a deer. Here's Sean, Anthony. Everybody's in the mix. Ruben's up in the tree stand right now. And then we're just walking around, walking backside of Noah's Hill, where you know all them bucks are. So stay tuned and hopefully we see some bucks right around the hill right here. Wish us luck. Fingers crossed. Stick around, see what happens. Well, we're back on the trail. Our first spot that we went to, didn't really see much, saw a couple does. The second spot we just left from, we didn't see no deer, but I glassed up a pretty good sized herd of javelina. There's probably more than 20 javelinas in that group. So, good sign on the javelina scout, but nothing yet on the deer. We did see a buck first thing this morning, but he kind of gave us the slip once he went over the hill. But we'll head back to our spot where the jeeps are, hit up a new spot. I'm pretty sure we're gonna find a buck right now. It's just a matter of time if we find that fucker. All we gotta do is get a shot off on one. If we do, I'm pretty sure he's gonna go down. So we just gotta find him. So stay tuned. We'll be back after these messages. We'll be right back. Well, it's day number 3 for me and Ruben. Day number 2 for SI hunters. Guess what? What happened? What happened, Deck?
Deer down.
Declan just fucking put the hammer down on a nice buck. Dropped him in his tracks. About 165 yards. Dropped. So we're going right up here. He's not too far away. Got the buck. Good one. Congratulations, Declan. That was the shit. Good shooting. He was getting nervous, but I kept telling him, I was like, just breathe, stay on him.
Yeah.
He bedded down on us. We had to wait him out for just a little bit. Thank God he came out sooner than later. He came out, got a broadside shot, took a perfect shot. I told him, I was like, just let out all your breath, hold your breath, squeeze the trigger. Pow! Dropped him. So, meet back up with us right now when we get to him. Good. Take your gun off and lay your gun on him. Go ahead and do what Eddie would do with the grass.
Huh?
Get some grass. Put some grass in your hand. Put it in his mouth.
He already has grass in his mouth because he was eating.
Yeah, but you gotta give him to pay respect to him. Go ahead, shove it in there. Don't be scared. He ain't gonna bite you. That's good. What do you think, Deck? Huh, Declan?
It was a great hunt. It was fun.
He's a big ass body, dude. With a body on that thing, dude. Let's get a good look at this guy. Let's see. Deer down. Big ass body buck, dude. Hell yeah, Declan. Good shit, man. Now everybody's they're gonna start making their way over here, so we'll probably leave him as he is so everybody can see how he was. But
Yeah,
dropped him.
he was right here.
Yeah.
He was right here, wasn't he? He
Yep.
was eating here and then he walked.
Yep, and then he was behind this tree right here. And we just needed him to clear this dead tree right here. And once he came out, Declan put the hammer down. Nailed him. But, yep. We'll check him out a little bit more when everybody gets here. So, well, the whole group is here.
For the famous people in the field. Look this way.
Ivan, SI Hunters. He found the buck.
Yep. But
Spotted him out.
again, thank you guys. Definitely appreciate you guys for sure. You know, I'm not the pop-up, but they're part of my family, so
Right.
definitely
We're all family.
very proud of you. Very proud of him for sure. You know, so again, good shot, Declan. You know, Sean, you should thank you for bringing him out with you, being a good pops.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, Ruben, for the walking you guys in through the radio. That shit is awesome how you guys communicate back and forth. So, on point.
All right.
You know, something. But yeah, again, thank you guys.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
I appreciate you guys for sure. And again, you guys are family too.
Yeah.
We've been talking for a while and hunting together, so definitely part of family too now.
Definitely.
So, thanks again.
So now everybody's taking pictures and doing video.
So excuse the crowd.
Right. Yeah, here's the proud dad over here. He can't stop doing video right now. Nothing but good times, man.
Oh yeah.
Got Anthony here, Declan.
He just had a heart attack.
He scared the shit out of him. We're trying to find out where he hit him.
Scared him to death.
I think we're gonna have to flip him over and see where the entrance.
This way, right?
Yes.
Yeah, be careful, he must be alive.
He's just sleeping.
it sounds like it.
It didn't come out. Or did it? I don't know. It's a mystery right now. We know we hit him good.
Coming out right there.
Yeah, it's
Where?
right
Right
there.
there.
All fluffed up.
Yeah, right there. I thought it was blood. Oh, he shit himself.
Yeah, he shit in the pile right there.
We'll find it. Yep.
Right there.
What do you think, Declan?
Right there.
Great.
Are you a believer of the gray ghost?
Right here.
Yeah.
Feels like quartered away.
Yeah, a little bit, yes.
I thought I smelled a little gut right now. So he was this way?
Yep. He was gonna walk up this, look.
Yeah. So perfect, dude. Fucking.
Dropped him. Now I gotta bring him
He's stuck in it.
to the spot. Declan's walking out his buck. Oh, everybody's running in front, trying to get a shot of Declan. And we made it. Made it to the Jeep. Oh yeah.